loses a little bit of its shine. It's louder and seems to rattle. After a day in these racing seats, we're a bit stiff. It's not a road trip car, though most supercars aren't. We didn't measure fuel economy, but the EPA says the 2017 GT actually gets worse gas mileage, 11 city/18 highway miles per gallon, than the 2006 GT, 1219, which had a supercharged 550 horsepower V8. Both GTs eke out 14 combined mpg, and there's no way the owners of the new model will care. Still, it's not a great look considering the 2018 Ferrari 488 gets 16 in the city and 22 on the highway. But that's just picking nits. After a day with the GT, it's clear the supercar lives up to its promise. It's sophisticated, powerful, and a fitting halo for blue oval performance. It does things the Mustang can do. You might have heard the story that Ford initially considered taking its pony car to Le Mans, but after going over the modifications, the Frankenstein wasn't recognizable. With a self-imposed deadline of 2016, 50 years after America's most important victory in Le Mans, Ford got to work. In a padlocked lair in the basement of Ford's Dearborn, Michigan, Product Development Center.
You